here's 5surveys app. Here's how it look like. You can get it on the App Store. And then I don't know whether this app is completely legit. Can you really earn $5 really fast here? Can you withdraw them? But here's the app. It's only available in US and I guess few other countries. And then here, start the survey. So then you just select country where you live. And then you just enter in your year, your birthday, for example, your gender, just as an example. Then you try to participate in the survey. So here it is. And then you have this kind of questions like that. That's like the idea. Whatever. So you have the idea of the survey. So now you just filled it out, and now you completed the first survey. Now you need to complete 4 more to get $5. So all right. So then just basically that's what it is. And then you have your account, and then you can also create referrals. You can only have one account and you can't refer yourself. So that's just what it is. Invite your friends sign up, earn 10% commission. So that's basically how it works. That's how you can get it. And yeah, that's the idea here. And then you can just copy referral link and share it. So let's just check it out. So here's my referral link. I will share it for you guys. So here is the link, and so something around that, and that's where you have it.